anything that's got a poly in it anywhere, whether it's ethylene, polypropylene, anything like polystyrene, gives concern as to how safe it is. And you're saying you put this on the roof of a building, which, seeing as most flames go upwards, is the most likely place.
But it's an open roof. It's just over a courtyard. So there are easy exits. So it's just open. It's just like a shelter. So
The way it's built as well, the design of it, allows it's very good with natural ventilation, so it allows air to go through quite easily. So it should.
Air can't go through this.
No, not through that. The
joints.
Joints, yeah. Sorry. So in between the gaps, the bubbles.
Where does the basic material come from?
It's thermoplastic.
It was a byproduct of the oil industry. You say it's eco-friendly.
The way it's made, it doesn't. It's
not made any less.
no, it's not used. They don't use any solvents and stuff. It's water-based. Yeah, the whole process is recycled.
I don't really know. I just thought it was a byproduct of oil.
So on this, like, you've got the Eden project there, and you've got the curved roof. I'm trying to see on your technical drawings how, because this is a flexible sheet, not a rigid sheet.
yeah,
isn't
no,
it?
that's really flexible because the way it needs to be layered up before they do anything.
Right. So it will finish up as
Yeah.
a rigid sheet.
Yeah.
Right. So this is just these are 100 microns.
Yeah.
And then it becomes the rigid sheet that's shown in your technical drawing. Okay, that makes sense. That's what I didn't understand. I understand it now.
So that product there, is that just made up of dozens of layers of that?
Yeah, that's just many layers of leather put together. It's a very hard surface.
So the actual sheeting that's used on the buildings is somewhere thicker than the sheets, but thinner than the
Yeah.
pipe, halfway, or a third of the way between that, so that it's still transparent but rigid.
So what was it used for? And you said it was air or something.
Oh, everything. Okay.
Planes.
Yeah, it was
So
just
the wiring.
It was just the wiring. And then,
To insulate them.
yeah.
On the actual products, presumably everything's just made to order, and so what's the timeline on this? Time from approval of design to actually getting the material onto site?
Well, you know, it just depends on what you, like the size and how thick you need it. So we need like specifications of like
Yeah, because if you take the Eden project, it started off from looking at the site in 1995, whereas the doors actually opened in 2000, so it took long.
It took you 5 years to make it.
No, because of the funding process,
All right.
because it took a while for them to get the funding.
But you're not worried about funding, you're
No, not
just
for
applying
us,
for
just
this.
them buying like the actual product.
Right.
So do you produce the product in the UK, did you say?
Yeah.
Is that where the factory is?
yeah.
I see. Okay.
Just a really quick question. A few of the samples have the silver print on it.
Yeah.
Does that have a kind of some sort of additional property?
Sometimes just ask for like different designs and things to be printed on it as well.
So that the particular
The particular designs aren't
the
necessary.
paint or anything, it doesn't really have a
No.
Okay,
The ones
anybody-
with designs on are presumably just for decorative purposes.
Yeah.
That's it? Yes? All right, thank you very much. Thank you.